All right, hello everybody. Welcome back. Another episode of WoW True Learn. And so far, we've been able to go back and finalize everything. Not with gold per se, but we finalized everything. I'm curious. I bought some upgrades. If I just went back to like Medics and run it, if it's gonna win. I don't remember why this one was so far behind. He uses the right number of nodes, just needs speed. No, looks like it's just too slow still. We'll have to do something about that later. But let's check out how the startup is going. Still making some good money. So I'm gonna go back to the tree. And we are gonna go to this next startup that's up here, Tatari. We need to join our hacker startup. Ooh, a cheats guide for different games. But now they'd like to try making something really cool. Program that will play and win an Arkanoid instead of the player. Okay, let's do it. You're about to invest. Let's do it. We invested money in these guys. This does not look hard. Okay, so keep in mind, this is one of those red, blue, and then we'd need a red, blue, and then blue, green. Oh, green, blue. And then, so each one of these is quicker than doing an expert system because it's going to take less time to separate out the reds, because it only take 0.46 seconds by going through two of these, and then red, green. So red goes there, blue goes there, and then both of these go to trash can. This should work. I'm gonna make it better, don't worry. So remember when it said you're making, no, whoops, I forgot to connect these up appropriately. There we go, that should be it. So we test run this. We're getting 100% accuracy, which is probably good. 100% accuracy is good for this. We're only using 4 out of 50 nodes. It lets you use 50 nodes. I don't know if there's a reason for it. But remember, there's no medals. It's about making it as good as you can. So let's compile this a little bit into a nice little concise thing here. And then the one trash can, like that. So if I take this, copy and paste it, there we have the second one. So I could easily just do a balancer, go to these two. That would run even faster. Do I want to do 2 more balancers? Like, how do I want this to go? Do I want to have 4 of these, I guess is the question. And do a balancer, and then 2 balancers. I don't know if this is overkill for these startups or not. Oops. Is it, I mean, we got 11.28 per second versus the server. Oh, that's the server cost. So is that how much it costs me? 11.28 cats per second. Oops, didn't connect it. I mean, it does well, but do I want it to be that crazy? I mean, look, it's still bottlenecking though. It's still significantly bottlenecks. Even the balancer's bottlenecked. What happens when it gets unnaturally bottlenecked? I don't know. But it still does bottleneck pretty bad. I think I want to cut this in half. No, I want to cut. So this, then take from here down. I'm going to cut this in half. And then just do. So this is only 3.76 cats per second is the cost. Is it really a cost or is it a throughput? I mean, this bottlenecked way faster. Let's release it like this, and we can add to it if we need to add to it. Lunch. And we'll look, and let's go to the next day. It doesn't look like there was a problem. There's no red. Go to the next day on this. Ooh, users are going... Oh, no, they're not going up. They're going up. Users 166. These graphs are just interesting to follow. So this was working well so far. We're just going to let it go. We're going to let it go. 6 things in Seabay here. Data scientists of the world unite. A propaganda poster. I don't want anything. Cat skins. I don't want anything that's not going to help me improve, like, my... I didn't realize you could click on the cat. Can I click on other things here? Oh, I can open my... Wait, wasn't the drawer full a minute ago? A raccoon? What? I can play my tambourine that I bought. Can't move the mouse. Got code going through there. I don't know, whatever. Let's go back to... We've got that going. Should I read this letter? Oh no, let's read it. We know a lot about machine learning, so we're inviting you to participate. I don't need to patch it. It still works for now. Oh, back to the tree. Okay. Let's just move on to prediction of elections. Continue. This is what tells me I can copy and paste, which I already knew. So red and red. So 3.76%. I didn't realize it. I wonder if that's one of the reasons I didn't make it. My server cost was too high. Is 3.76 my limit? Like, I don't know how to read that. I definitely want to go to a balancer for sure. It doesn't really matter. Green. And then trash can. Send everything that's not red into the trash can. And we'll do the same down here. And you might be wondering why I separated this out into 2 steps. And again, that's because separating it out into, we can add a second trash can too, because it doesn't cost you any extra money. Or it's not an extra node to add the other trash can. This should work fine. And I do this because it's not sending everything through a single bottleneck of 2 of these systems. It splits the load. So in theory, you can get through it half the time. Let's see. We should only have reds going. I didn't connect that, so that didn't work because that didn't ever connect to there. And the top one was so much slower, but I still got the gold. Release. Man, it still costs $3,562 for that self-driving car. The server costs really do add up. This one's still working pretty well. Should we get another one? Look at the tracking system. Was in our glorious democratic leader, Admiral General President Ali Baboon Petrov Boshi. His infinite wisdom, he offers / orders you to create a system that would process the recordings of kitchen talks of our beloved government critics. So it would be sent to our country's famous recreational camps. Wow. We'll pay you a share from each individual who joins our nation's healthcare program too. One last detail, you must only use technologies developed in our country, as we despise your Western technologies and wish you all slow and painful deaths. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be a relatively slow one. Wait, oh, there it is. I was going to say there's not even a circle thing here, but there is. So we're going to definitely balance this because we need it to balance too, because this is your slow one for sure. If we can reject, not the expert systems, if we can reject colors first, that would save time. So boom, boom, and you go to here. So I only want red to come out of here. And then the reds. But then I need it to only be sifted as circles. Is that connected? Yes. So trash can, anything that's blue. Trash can, anything that's green. And trash can, any reds that aren't circles. So this way, the least number of things is getting to the sifter, which is the slowest process. So it won't back up as bad. I'm pretty sure that's accurate. I'm going to copy and paste this. Over here, except we just won't output to there. We'll output to here, and we'll change this to green blue and then green red. Maybe? My balancer still backs up a lot. Okay, I'm only getting red circles in here. Oh, I never connected that. That's why that balancer's backing up so bad. So red circles going here, should only see green circles going here. It's correct as can be. Now the question, is there a benefit to doubling up on this? So if we know that that works, we go like this. 7.52, not bad. That all should be the same. The one thing I would have to do is change to a balancer here. Go to this, and then this one goes all the way down here, and this one goes all the way down here. And let's test run it. It's not backing up nearly. The sifters aren't backing up at all, which I'm, well, this one sort of is. Which I'm pretty impressed with, though. This one's not backing up at all, which I'm really shocked by. But nothing's getting, like, completely backed up because everything's hooked up right, I think. It's really hard to tell, actually, sometimes. That definitely goes to two places. That goes to two places, two places. No. Ah. Aha. Okay. Okay. This is wrong. That goes there. Oh, unless it goes... Is it going all the way out to this trash can way out here? Oh, yeah, no. So it was right. It was just going to this far trash can. This, I'm assuming, is the same. Only one goes to the sifter. Everything else goes to the trash can. Green circles. Yep. Okay, so yeah, it's hooked up. Everything's hooked up correctly. Because I don't know if it's overkill. Why did it just add to 11.27? Wasn't it 7 a minute ago? Huh. Why am I seeing red circles come down here as well? Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's actually get rid of... Let's go back to this. Because I think I am gonna see... So... Yeah, one thing I didn't think of, I don't want the greens to go to the trash can here. I don't want the reds to go to the trash can here. I want the reds to come up and check with their red circles. I want the greens to check with their green circles. Otherwise, I'm just wasting them. Yeah. So I'm never seeing red circles. Oh, shoot. I am seeing a lot of red circles actually go to this trash can. Hold. Green. Oh, okay, okay. Yes. Because I was just separating it out based on getting green and then getting red up here. And that's not really the way that you can do it. You need Okay, so out of here could come red and green. So out of here, I have accounted for my red and green to go to the appropriate place. It's either a red circle or a green circle. However, I don't want this blue. I want this blue to go, because it could be blue or green. And if it's green, well, if it's blue, I want you to go to this trash can. But if it's green, I want you to go down here to this circle checker as well. And same for up here. So if it's green or blue, blue is going to go not directly to the trash can. The green verse is going to check green or red. And then I have this appropriately getting sorted. Blue is going to go to another decision tree, which is going to look for blue or red. And if it's blue, it can go to the trash can. If it's red, it needs to go up here to the red circle checker. I'm checking the trashes for any green or red circles going to any of them. I'm not seeing any, I don't think. Let me move this trash can over here as well, so I can just follow the lines. No. Okay. So now we're not wasting. It does say 3.76 right here, though. I just want to... just want to do that just to consolidate it and make it look easier. Make sure nothing backs up now. I bottlenecked somewhere. Yep. Blue. To go here. How did I miss that? Was that missed last time too? Okay, inputs are crossed off. That's fine. As long as the outputs aren't crossed off. I somehow took away any output streams. I'll put that to the trash can. That was supposed to go there, and that was supposed to go there. Man, I really screwed that up. All right. I mean, it's slow. It says 3.76. I'm using 10 nodes. I'm going to double up on this. And all my outputs should be connected to where they need to go. I just need to go like this. And that's a 7.52. God, that really jumps it up to that server cost. But I need to do that if I want to add this next node. This balancer kills me. But it should have less of a backup in theory. Why is this sifter not going? It just takes so long to sift them. I don't know how to make that better at this point. I mean, look, this third one is like at a standstill. This one just like stopped. It's getting such a influx. I mean, it's getting so many things coming in. Try and zoom out. Yeah, I can zoom out. It seems to be working less fast. Is it because of server power? I don't know. I'm just going to release it. Sure. 11.28 though. That's high. Maybe I need more server power. Let's see how... Ouch. That looks bad. That red makes me feel like something wrong. My income is bad. My scheme is failing to process all the incoming requests. Try parallelizing your calculations. So this one, it's saying I'm not able to keep up. This one's just losing money. So let's patch this one. This is the one I was set up to parallelize. So it's not keeping up, which is interesting because to keep up with it, 3.76. Again, this is going to be just as ridiculously expensive all of a sudden. I think I'm going to start losing money on this. Make sure that this one still works. Yeah, this is the one I was worried about, just losing all that money on. Yeah, I mean, let's patch it. Launch. See if that kills me. This one's just dying here. Yeah, I think this one's just really hurting. Let's go back to this one. Let's cut out half of it. Oh no. Whew. You can control Z, thank goodness. There. Test run it, make sure I didn't screw anything else up. All looks good. Stop. Patch. Launch. I don't know if that's gonna, I bet it's that gonna hurt me. See, now I'm making income on it. This one's still got hype. It's got hype again, maybe? The Tatari one? I'm not sure if that's what that's indicating. I didn't see if it had lost its hype. But it's increased in user count. So let's let that go. And go to heritage protection. I didn't even read anything about that. This should be easy. There's no... This is just straight up. Huh? I don't understand this one. Whoops. Red, blue. Green. Oh, red, green. Then you have blue, green. There's my 3 nodes I can have. Green, blue. So blues, greens, greens, and red. I mean, that's the only way you can do this. Gold. What was this? This is like 101. I don't get it. Okay, I got self-driving car. I got Tatari. Ouch. Ouch. I lost some money. Accuracy. Uh-oh, is that the end of a thing? Let's find out. Hyperness me. Little coders grow up so fast, no problemo. My Deuterino. Okay, how so? Let's just get to the action. This is a decision tree color. Wait, I already knew that. What? What is happening here? I can only use one. It's got a 50% tolerance. So, do I just do this? Yay. I'm not sure what that little hat is. Okay. Let's do one more. We'll go to the automatic movie rater. Balancers. We can have 4. Okay. In some way, shape, or form, I know I will need this. So if I want... If I say red and green... I know I have red and blue. Hold on, let's just go this way. Red and green. So I know that I have red and blue coming out when I do that. And I have green and blue coming out this one. So I can do green and blue, and I can separate those into green and blue. Blue can go there. Green can go there. And if I do red, blue, I will have red and green coming out there. Blue, I will have blue and green. Yeah, this has to be right, right? Bronze. How far was I off the path by? So 42 went up top, so a ridiculous amount more went up top. It's probably because there's a lot more reds. So, would it be better? What was it? 14 seconds, and what did it take? I don't know how to not get caught. 16 and a half. I don't know how to not get caught on that anyway. Because I'm wondering if I change this to... Let's just jump over here to a new scheme. Balancer. But we'll never do red on these. Let's do green, blue, and then... What did I do on this one? Well, I'm have to do red on one of them, but green, blue, and then like red, blue. Let's try that. Green, blue, red, blue. So I have green and blue. Well, no, green and blue don't go together. Red and blue go together though, so that one goes together. I have blue and red. No, blue and green. Red and green coming out here. Then I have blue and green. So I want my green to go top and my blue to go bottom. And this is the same thing, but it's not decisioning on the red. I don't know if this will change anything. And then this is the same here. That actually took longer. That's interesting that that took longer. 4 nodes. I could, so I got red and greens going this way. And I got blue and greens going down. I need to separate out, and then I have red and blues. What if I separate out? Let me go back to this one. And let's say I want all my reds to go bottom. And I'll just send... Yeah, all my reds to go bottom. My blues to go bottom, and my greens to go up. Let's try that. Let's try it like this. Oh, my red. And then red, green. Let's just do green, red to keep it even. And go like that and like that. And I want, so I got blue greens coming out here. So blue, green, it's green, blue, and green's up there still, blue's down there. That should fill up the bottom one faster. I'm not using a splitter though. How is this gonna go? Not fast. I would need to use a splitter or a balancer. But then I'm at my node limit. I'm trying to think if I just take from one of the nodes, if I'm getting all my red. So anything comes out, green and blue. You know what? This will work. I just missed it. Was it 14 seconds? It is 14 seconds. Can I just get rid of this? If I have, wait, if I have green and blue, So it said red and green up here and red blue down here. Do I just need that? Hold on. Is it as easy as that? Is it as easy as that? Well, it got me the silver. 15.9. Wasn't my last one 14.2? I can't use another splitter and then another decision tree. That wouldn't work. I mean, that would still just bottleneck him, right? It's sending red and green up top and red and blue to the bottom. Red and green up top, red and blue to the bottom. I mean, this can't work, right? I'd want them the other way if I did that. Wait. Because I want more to come down here faster. No. Huh. I don't know how this got to 15.9. How close was this one? 16.5. No. We're gonna go to this one. We're gonna go to this one. Test it. Release it. Call it a day. And release. We're releasing a silver. Let's go check out real quick how this is going. I'm getting some income, I think. Tatari is losing some income. What is happening here? My income is going down. I think I'm going to sell. I'm going to do one more day. Yeah, I need to sell my self-driving car. Yep. Sell it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.